Okay, I'm starting the video. Okay, hi Burden, this is problem 16 from your 5-3 assignment. It is a proof, so I just decided to make a video to make sure you're really understanding the concept. Okay, so it asks you to prove using this diagram that these two triangles are congruent, okay? So, and they want you to use SAS, which is the side angle side congruence theorem. So first what we want to do is we want to make our statements and reasons chart, and we want to list what they give us. So they give us that segment AB is congruent to segment CD, and they also tell you that these two segments are parallel. So that's all I wrote here. They're congruent and they're parallel, and the reason for that is that they're given. So from there, remember for side angle side, we need to prove that one side is congruent to the other, which we have. We need to find angles that are congruent, which we do not have, and we need to find another side that is congruent, which we do not have. So let's do the side first, because that's easiest. Another congruent side, pretty obvious, just looking at the diagram. These two triangles share the same hypotenuse, or what it seems to be a hypotenuse, okay? So by the reflexive property of congruence, AC is congruent to CA. They are the same line. So that's why I wrote that. So that can be another congruent line, excuse me. So there's another one. Okay, now we just need to find our angle. Well, why would they give us that they are parallel lines? Because if you view these as parallel lines, then you know that this line, AC or CA, is a transversal. And we'll remember from a previous chapter, or a little bit ago, that we can use something called the alternate interior angles theorem to prove that angle 1 and angle 2 are congruent. So that's how we know. Measure of angle 1 equals the measure of angle 2 by the alternate interior angles theorem. So then, by that sense, you could say, for your final statement and reason, you would state that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DCA by, and then for your reason, you would put the side angle side congruence theorem. I hope you understand that. Also use later if you don't, but that is problem 16 from your 5-3 assignment.